What do we have? Good!
You have a really weird face. Not that face, the one on your hood.
And you I'll show you. Would you like to see my snow indicator in action?
Tom? Yeah. Yes, I'm not surprised. I bet you like crayons and fingerprints.
Thumbs up. He's just communicating purely.
And do not fail me.
Snakes were looking great, though, I gotta say. Hideaway. What do you think of the place, huh? What do you think of the decor now? Hey, you hear me?
Awesome, guys. Looking
And happy Halloween from me, your neighborhood witch.
I think that people think they have the misinterpretation that my devices don't work, but they do. And I'll show you. Would you like to see my snow indicator in action? Behold the awesome powers of my blizzard fury. Ha-ha! Ho-ho! And ha! Is it working? Is it? All right, get out of here. All the practice on food. I see you have plenty of friends, but not you. Let's fix that, shall we? Welcome to my land. Hey, you've already got candy. Trying to make a dupe out of me? I love it! Good! Come on in, folks! There's enough for everyone! Anyone want to play dice? What do we have? Candy. Disgusting.
Oh, well, again, I don't know why you people like me so much. He's Hideaway. What do you think of the place, huh? What do you think of the decor down here? Is it everything you dreamed in the underworld? But, I don't know, I kind of like them. We got a lovely little fresco here. We got an image of my brother Zeus, very tiny, very small, falling off his throne on Mount Olympus, and then in the center, we got B here, like it's very big, very powerful, very strong, and taking over his throne. Watch out, don't look her in the eyes, he might turn to stone. Snakes were looking great, though, I gotta say. There's no last minute. Blood gobble falls, the story ends. Full stop, roll, credits, curtain falls. And once the dip
Permanent. You like Toontown? Yeah. Yes, I'm not surprised. I bet you like crayons and finger paints too. Very mature. Why don't you go back home? Don't forget to turn on your nightlight. This one. Mouth runs like a faucet. Too bad all it spits is sewage. I don't know what. What? You have something important to say?
No.
Probably not.
No.
He's your biggest fan.
You have a really weird face. Not that face, the one on your hood. Wait, do you know this kid? Oh, lo siento, señorita. Yeah, wait, there's a burn on your head. Why is there a burn on your head? You don't even know? Wes, I guess we have something in common, huh? It feels so good to be back here with all of you again. Why do you keep pointing at her? The mentirosa? The mentirosa's mother? Who? You, señorita. Hey, tell me. He's saying yes, you're a liar. I have seen tonight a lot of people wearing costumes, and all of them have been very cute. Que curioso. You're the only one that's scary. Why, Chico? Why do you want to be scary?
Because last year I did an inflatable.
Because you're what?
Last year I did an inflatable.
Last year you what?
I did an inflatable.
You blew up a balloon. And you just carried it around? Oh, you ate it.
I was a
You were a balloon.
Put that straw right back here. Here, I'll take care of it. Fred, straw over here, you two. Happy Halloween, now you hear me? Awesome, guys. Look, we're going to stand that wristband right here. Happy Halloween, everybody. I'll try to take one real quick. Hey, you scared me, and you scared me, and you. I sure hope it's Halloween.
The lights are not all on, but still, we are talking kings in succession.
And you're in your humble attire. You're incognito, right? Well, did you bring any bananas or a book? Or your sister's stolen jewelry? Is there something on my face? Thumbs up. He's just communicating purely through pointing devices and pointing thumbs. How about this one, right? Yeah. It says keep moving, get out of here. He's gonna move on. Dead guy too, get out of here. Is it tea time already? All those years that they have been wasted. But here you are, no longer wasting time. Speaking of wasting time.
I'll be honest.
No, put it on the ground, not on the ground. Here, here.
loyal subjects. Gently, my pets, gently. I have plans for my royal guests. You would invite me to your grand celebration?
Yes.
Excellent. A wise choice. Unfortunately, King Stefan did not make the same choice.
Yeah.
And we all know how that ended up. My, you would do well at the Forbidden Mountain. Perhaps I'll put you in charge of my goons.
Aye, Your Majesty.
They need all the help they can get, you know. 16 years they were searching for a baby. Why, it's a disgrace to the forces of evil. You would not fail me.
No, Your Highness.
I thought not. Search far and wide.
Yes, Your Highness.
Search for a maid of 16. Hair of sunshine gold and lips red as the rose. Go, find her, and do not fail me.
I got a 7-year-old.
Build a secret, sister. Curses? What are we talking? Potions? Oh, okay. You're training them right. Baby witches, you gotta start them when they're young. But on command. Oh, come on. How about this? Tell me a joke. Tell me something funny. Okay, no, I see what you did there. Happy Halloween to you all, in fact. And say, I can't be the only magical girl in town. Anyone else? Okay, come to the front of the class then, bitches. I have a question for you all. Oh, go ahead. Okay, back to business. All right, come on in, get on out, come on in. Now, witches to the front, tell me, witches, are you deserving of your power? You are a little bit quiet. You know why I'm asking, right? Because I take power from the undeserving. It's kind of my thing. So let me just ask one more time. Witches, I'd like to know, are you deserving of your power? No. All right, fine. I'll let you make your way. For now. And happy Halloween from me, your neighborhood witch. Oh, and reminder to all the parents, I'm a great babysitter. So, if any of you need any help with that, Yeah. Are you all students of the ballad?
Of course.
Well, then I'd love to hear it.
Okay. Down, down, down the road, down the witch's road.
Like a witch.
Down, down, down the road, down the witch's road.
Okay, that was really good.
Shut up!
But that, okay, give it up for the witches in the corner, everyone. Pretty good. Say, you know what? If I hadn't already conjured the road, that might have done it. Maybe. Well, gee, honey, it is the season of the witch, don't you think? What was that? Ah, well, you got good taste. And I mean, come on, check it out. Holding up pretty good for hundreds of years old, don't you think? That, well, it's kind of my color, but I'll share. What about me? I guess.
Me too.
Well, you wear it. No, hold on a second. That's a witch. If ever, and that's a compliment coming from me.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what's your specialty? Let's see.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Conjured up all these looks, really.
What was that?
I conjured up all their looks.
Did you?
I did. Yeah. Agatha, look at this.
What am I looking at? A man?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Okay.
I know.
Cute.
But
I'm just a witch. What you want? Oh, hang on a second. Maybe some of you can help me with this. Like I said, I'm a career witch. What do I know about superheroes? But what do you all think? Okay, come on in, everyone. Plenty of room. What do we think about Wanda? A good guy or a bad guy? What do you think? A bad guy? I think so too. Yeah, oh, you're okay. Why?
We're almost there. You guys made it though. You guys made it. Alright?
Well, well, well. So this is what kids consider scary these days. Ah, you're joking! You're joking!